Sorry about that. It's super easy to add a variable that you share between two scenes and to switch scenes back and forth. Super frustrating for me because it took forever to find the answer on YouTube, but that's what the channel's for me to be frustrated, so you never are. Okay, let's go ahead and I have two scenes here, scene number 2 and one called Night. First thing you have to do is set up the connector between the two actual scene files. So you go to File, Build Settings, and then you add this scene to the thing, and that's index 0, and then you just close it, save. I'm going to click my next scene, which is the night scene, Build Settings, and that is number 1, spooky. Okay, let's close that, save it, let's go back to 2. I'm going to add something to collide. Let's make some a quick empty event to stash our FSMs in. And I'm going to create an empty object. I'm sorry, a cube. Of course. Okay, inspector. Make sure the cube has a collider. Use trigger. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. This is going to be something that we rack up the score. Control C, Control V. Let's drag the next one out of the hallway. It's out there. Stash it down the hallway. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it's out there. Okay, so for this guy, now we're going to have something to hold our score. Okay, UI, text, add text, and we're just going to call this text, that's fine. And right now let's put a 0 on it. And look at our demo area over here. Little action to the cube. Right click, add FSM. First thing I want to do is make a global variable. That's the answer. You can stop the video right here if you get where I'm going, but I usually need an example for myself. New variable, and make it an int. Let's call it score. Value 0. Right click score. Move to global variables. Good. And we're going to grab this guy. An action. We're going to do a simple trigger. On trigger enter for the cube, that's correct. Collide tab, tag, we'll need one. Send the event. We're just going to make a new one. Add stuff. Okay. And we're going to click here, hold down Control, and drag to the right to create a new state. Click the state. We're going to int add. Add int. Our int variable, score. I'm going to add 1 to it. Fine. Right click, add transition, finished. Drag this back so it's listening again. Make sure that works. Okay, something I forgot to do, I always forget to do, is add a box collider to my controller. And then go back and tag him as player. Okay, once that's done, we need to tell it to update our text. Okay, and then once we ram into this guy, we're going to iterate every time. Now we need to update this text, and it's text, and the component is UI set text. UI text set text. I'm going to specify this guy, the text field itself, and we're going to set it to the numeric value of score. And again, you have to have that converted, so you click this once. Convert globals, convert score, and that is that. So this next one, we're going to have the same kind of deal. Create an FSM. gonna go and do the same deal. We trigger on enter. Send event, new event. Control, drag to the side. Except this one, we're going to load the stage. Load scene. Scene index as 1. If you just jam down the hallway. Ugh, so annoying. Let's do this. Maximize on play. Now we have a brand new scene with our variables still intact. Okay, so this is just kind of like a super basic example, and you can do pretty much everything you want to do. You could have multiple arrays, you can have multiple variables, you can pass other items as well, and to any scenes you want. So this should open up a whole new world of possibilities and not worry about the complexity of any one scene. Okay, leave comments if you have any questions on any of this stuff. And ooh, somebody tipped over our chairs. How rude. Okay, all right, cool. See you on the next one. Okay, bye.